first time playing Redwood. I'm not actually capping, guys. First time playing on Redwood. And I don't know how to get a heal, but I just randomly guessed it. So new experience for me. Holy heals. Oh yeah, few bucks. No. Yeah, I don't even know how to aim.
Sabi nga ni Karen na pwede nga doon sa kanila.
I dunked it! The 51 is... Oh my! Oh, there we go. How did I miss that eagle? Yeah, my graphics are not that good. It's where do we merge? It's just all parts so far. What? How did I even do that? Our ridge down all the way here. I should have hit in these. I'm not going down for heal. If I go for heal, I'm just gonna be failing. Par again. Many par. Like I've been getting par earlier. I don't know how I missed that. I don't know how I missed that. I didn't expect it to land there. Oh.
Tapos na kayo?
Oh.
Kago.
Got it. Bogey. Tapos na ako dito.
Kasi nakatapos na rin. Lagyan mo ba sa ano?
Wait lang.
Na rin po sa ano.
Alak mo.
Mag-display at tayo yung mga mamuna na at bukas na i-revise. Gagawin mo assignment.
Oo. 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 And that's another part. Yep. 36 so far. What the heck? Ano ba yan, Amar? Oh my God. Saan ka nagay ito?
Hindi pa tulog si tatay?
Nay, hindi pa tulog ah.
Ano, magtagay na lang kayo ulit ng mga ni Karina? Oo. Sabihan ko na yun. Ano, ilipit na ito doon. Sige. Ako na lang mag-walisan mo na. Sige na.
Yan na tayo.
Yung ano sa'yo ko.
Nay, yan na tayo kundi magan. Oh. Bata. Oh, what the hell? Okay. I did that was easy, but God, it was hard. Oh! I actually almost did so good. Oh! Hole in one, oh! Ito din! Hole in one!
Ostrich.
Yeah.
Ano mo